A very good evening to you all, dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jayde Surgicraft. This is Dr. Gautam Jayde, and I am a practicing oral and maxillofacial surgeon based at Hubli, Karnataka. Today, I'll be discussing with you all a basic dental health tip, which is a must know for all the individuals, for all the times, and more so during the pandemics. Often, I have seen in my practice that people neglect their oral and dental health and fail to report to their family dentist even for the most trivial problems. A simple tooth decay can slowly progress into a large cavity, eventually involving the pulp and causing a full blown tooth infection. These kind of infections are so severe that they force the person to resort to some sort of relief. And in the wake of achieving that relief, people resort to several home remedies like application of clove oil, application of external heat to the cheek, or even application of balms to the cheek, forehead, or even the neck. Now, when such a home remedy is done, infection immediately spreads from its site of origin in the jaw to the cheek, to the throat, through the neck, and even to the temple region. And this can prove dangerous. When the infection spreads like this from its area of origin into deeper areas of throat and the neck, it immediately warrants admission to the hospital, maybe even a surgery and IV antibiotics, and needless to say, a lot of suffering associated with this. Dear viewers, my point over here is a simple consultation with a dentist for the cavity addressal would have solved the matter, which was never done, and the cavity was allowed to grow silently within and then cause a full blown infection. And even in the presence of infection, the dentist's expertise was not sought for, and local home remedies did all the job that was necessary to move the patient from the residence to the hospital. I have seen in my practice that some of these infections are so aggressive that people have even succumbed to these infections, which was absolutely unnecessary. Dear friends, a timely checkup and a regular visit to your practicing dentist or a family dentist can prevent these kind of significant unpleasant experiences. The takeaway message is that please maintain your oral hygiene by brushing your teeth twice a day and flossing regularly. Seek your dentist's help for even trivial most problems which can be addressed at grassroots level, and you don't allow the problem to grow. And if at all by chance you have had a problem which has gone unnoticed and it has flared up causing an infection, do not at all use home remedies to soothe yourself. Instead, promptly report to your dentist and get the problem sorted out. I'll see you again in the next video, and thank you all for your patient listening. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dr. Gautam Jayde signing off until we meet again. Bye.